Alright, sort of a once in a while when you get a bad defrost time clock. This is an 814520 Paragon, which is a I believe it's a 208 clock. What happens with these sometimes is the gears, they strip and these clocks get stuck, and you'll end up with a frozen evaporator coil in your box. And then you may advance it when you get to the job, and you'll see that it's turning because some of the gears might be good. In this case, I got pretty lucky today. I set it for about 9:45. As you can see, it's already been a half an hour and it hasn't moved. So basically I landed on some bad gears. So I'm going to be replacing this with a Grassland dual voltage time clock. So yeah, this can be a tricky one sometimes. On this clock there might be a section with bad gears. So sometimes when you're suspecting a bad time clock and you get a Paragon clock that's been here for years, you may want to just consider changing it if you can't figure out you know, what happened throughout the call. So I've already been here a couple times this year on this freezer, and finally the problem got bad enough. So there you go. The time clock can get you sometimes. Alright, had this Paragon DTA V40 on the truck, dual voltage, 120 240. This is what I like to use to replace those. So let's get to it. So they give you this case, but you don't have to use it. So what you do is, or what I do is, this should line right up. Sometimes it can be a little tricky. Right there. And it should snap right in. Boom. And that's it. Basically just going wire for wire. Gonna use this schematic right here. And then they give you some stickers, and they give you this sticker. You can stick it on over this. Alright, it's all set. So it's auto voltage, which means you don't have to this, you know, it'll pick up the voltage automatically. So we're gonna test it out. I got my defrost times here. Each pin represents 15 minutes. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 defrost, half an hour duration, in 24 hours, and there's no X terminal. So test the pump down. So you can hear the evaporator fan stopped. Defrost light is on. The compressor's still running. Should be shutting off any minute now. And it just shut off. So we'd advance it again. Solenoid opens, and compressor will start. Yep, the compressor started. I'll test it one more time. Closing down number 4 right now, which is power to our thermostat and solenoid. Now we're energizing number 4 again. And compressor just started. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.